Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are discuss about virtual data room. Virtual data room in the energy sector, their application in managing document for energy related project and deal. Virtual data rooms have become an indispensable tools in the energy sector for managing document related to energy related project and deals. VDRs provide a secure and efficient way to store, share, and manage sensitive information, such as contacts, financial data, regulatory document, and technical report. Here's how VDR is applied in the energy sector. Number one, due diligence for mergers and acquisition. When companies energy in mergers, acquisitions, and or divestitures and due diligence is a critical step. VDRs allow companies to securely share financial statement, asset inventories, environmental assessment, and legal contact with potential buyer or partners. This ensures that all parties have access to necessary information while maintained confidently. Number two, project financing. Energy projects often require substantial financing, which involves sharing detailed financial projections, feasibility studies, and engineering reports with leaders or investors. VDRs make it easy to provide access to these documents to the relevant parties while maintain control over who can view or download them. Number three, regulatory compliance. Energy companies are subject to numerous regulatory and reporting requirements. VDR enable organizations to store and organize complaints-related documents such as environmental impact assessment, permits, and safety records, ensuring easy access for internal audience to regulatory inspection. Number four, joint venture and partnership. Collaboration in the energy sector often involves multiple parties, including joint ventures and partnership. VDRs facilitates the secure sharing and agreements